Is your Kia Seltos infotainment system not turning on? The most common culprits are power-related: a blown fuse, a dead battery, or a software glitch. Start by visually inspecting the infotainment fuse, typically fuse 10 or 15, in the engine bay or dashboard fuse box. Replace the fuse if it's visibly burnt. Next, check your battery voltage with a multimeter. It should read between 12.4 volts and 13.5 volts. A reading below 12 volts indicates a weak battery that needs recharging or replacement. Finally, try a hard reset by holding the infotainment system's power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This can resolve temporary software freezes. These steps resolve most common power issues. If basic troubleshooting fails, the issue might be a deeper software problem or a failing power management module. Connect an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B1000, which indicates a power module fault. If found, a dealership visit is recommended for PMM reprogramming. Use an OBD2 scanner to diagnose power module faults. If a fault is detected, visit a dealership for reprogramming. Prevent future issues by maintaining good battery health with regular checks, avoiding deep discharges, and installing a battery tender if the vehicle is stored for extended periods. Keep your Kia Connect app updated to receive over-the-air software updates that fix bugs and improve system stability. Kia released recall Nensa campaign number 24V-123 in early 2024 for 2020 to 2023 Seltos models. So make sure your Seltos has had the update from the dealer.